Alright, it looks like a brand new spring has just opened up. I'm going to try and jump. There we go. Alright, that's pretty cool.
This guy wanted to experience a rare solar eclipse on his high up on the summit of a mountain, and I think we can agree that it was just as magical as he imagined.
This is the craziest thing I have absolutely ever seen. Oh my God! A total solar eclipse.
Massachusettsans were bewildered to see that the ocean had frozen at their local beach after a cyclone in 2018.
Looks like Antarctica right now. Who wants to go swimming?
This has been pouring for a minute. Wow. Wow.
Mother Nature hates this single tree in particular. Illuminated ring appeared in the night sky above China, and no one has any idea as to what caused it. This is one of the biggest solar flares ever recorded. It was larger than Earth and lasted for 21 hours.
Alright, so I don't know what the hell is going on with these clouds. That is starting to freak me the hell out. This is in Richmond, Virginia. And it seems like it goes on for miles. And it almost looks like, if you're staring at it, that they're rolling backwards.
Here is incredible footage of a sinkhole that suddenly formed in the middle of a village in Kenya.
Because, like I said, it started at the bottom as this little depression, and now it's just huge. It's like clouds of Jupiter or something.
The 2018 eruption of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano was so powerful that the sheer volume of lava relentlessly crept across 35 square kilometers of land, slowly devouring everything in its path. This fascinating wonder of nature is known as a snow cone. It occurs when water from a waterfall freezes mid-air and a mound of ice gradually forms at the base. I really appreciate your time. I'll hopefully see you soon.